Optima have invited me behind the scenes to their manufacturing facility here in the UK, just near Bath, to take a look at the processes involved. Let's take a look inside. The journey starts here, where Optima receive all their raw materials into their 15,000 square foot warehouse. Aluminium plays a huge role in all of Optima's framed partition and door systems. Each year they process over 450 tons of aluminium. Sleek, stylish and sustainable, this lightweight, durable material not only offers products an attractive aesthetic, but is 100% recyclable, making it the ideal choice for office partitioning. John, tell me about the warehouse setup you have here and how important it is to the manufacturing process.
Well, we've currently got 116 miles of aluminium here with a stock value of around £2 million, which means that we can be very responsive and turn orders around really quickly.
I've heard a lot about how aluminium is sustainable and, very recyclable. How much of the aluminium that you have here is recycled?
Well, currently we are looking at around about 75% recycled product here.
Bespoke is Optima's standard. Every door frame is cut, then machined to meet the customer template. These state-of-the-art numerically controlled milling machines are directly programmable from CAD drawings to reduce human intervention and thus the potential for error.
This machine shop is purposely built for us to do aluminium doors and door frames. We do everything bespoke to order. Optima prides itself on being able to convert our standard process into a bespoke process, and that comes from the customer. We receive an order. That order can be, I want to change this design, that design, and so we're very focused on providing the customer with their bespoke requirements.
This area is home to Optima's state-of-the-art powder coat line, coating over 1,100 pieces per day. A relatively quick process compared to other coating methods, a full cycle is completed in less than 90 minutes. The technology has opened the door to a whole range of powder coating solutions, meaning they can now offer a great selection of bespoke textured and coloured finishes.
The beauty with powder coating is that we get a consistent finish across a range of profiles, a range of shapes, a range of materials. We can powder coat in excess of 1,000 pieces a day over 6 different colours. We can up that volume if we reduce the number of colours we do. But as Optima do bespoke, we have an extensive range of colours from standard rails to metallics to textured. So we set up regularly depending on customer need and customer demand. For us, consistency and quality is key. That's why we choose powder coating over the various types of other finishing that are available across manufacturing facilities.
Optima make over 5,000 doors per annum, making them the UK's largest manufacturer of aluminium glazed doors. Here in the new glass shop, you can really see Optima's products taking shape. Skilled assembly teams are putting the finishing touches to the different glazed partition and door systems, and in any one shift can build more than 25 doors depending on type. They implement rigorous quality checking procedures at every stage of manufacture. Here you can see the technicians checking over every part of the system as they work to ensure that only the highest quality finished products go out. How have you invested in your manufacturing facility?
Over the last 5 years, we've invested over £3 million in developing the site to meet the growing demand for Optima partitions globally. Additional to this, we've also invested £2.3 million in new plant and equipment to increase capacity and further enhance the quality of our products.
As the UK's leading manufacturer of fire-rated glass partitions and doors, Optima's TechniShield range delivers a high-performance solution that also meets the visual and practical demands of any project. Optima offer a wealth of expertise in fire-rated glass partition design, research and development with tried and tested products that offer ideal fire protection. Here we can see fabricators welding mild steel into what will become Optima's fire-rated range of products. Each fire-rated product is fabricated in-house by their skilled team using the latest tools and techniques, from a semi-automatic CNC saw to 5 preparation bays that feed 11 welding bays. Each process is quality controlled to ensure certification standards are met, recorded and audited. Here in assembly, you can really start to see Optima's outstanding products taking shape. So whether it's the frame for a fire door or the framework for their unique adaptable meeting rooms, each piece of aluminium is expertly and carefully crafted by the team. Birthplace of the adaptable meeting room, Optima have created a new research and development unit dedicated to their dynamic modular office meeting rooms. With an entire team focused on developing the AMR, Optima have invested significantly, allowing them to continue to offer bespoke, pioneering solutions designed to enhance the future of the built environment. Product development has been the key to success for Optima, with product design and creativity at the heart of all their products. This dedicated research and development facility ensures Optima's product designers have all they need to discover and create innovative solutions to suit your design needs. Optima endeavour to minimise their impact on the environment in everything they do. Just one way they are addressing their impact is through the creation of a conservation zone right here on the grounds of their manufacturing facility. Optima values biodiversity, and this is highlighted by this half-acre region which has been created for the protection and restoration of the natural environment and surrounding wildlife. Home to a variety of species, large and small, their aspiration is to grow this area into a thriving, healthy ecosystem that will sit comfortably alongside their modern manufacturing facility. I notice you have a tree beginning in a pot. Are we going to plant it?
Yeah, that's the plan.
So we've planted a tree. This will now be left to its own devices. It will grow, and part of the growing process, it's going to absorb carbon, which is of course part of our plan. But most of all, it's going to enhance the biodiversity and ecosystem of this area.
Optima continues to invest in and develop their manufacturing facility with the vision of becoming the world's first globally trusted glass partition manufacturer. Dedicated to innovation, they are committed to the development of exceptional products that are visually and technically impressive, resetting the international benchmarks for quality, precision and customer service. Now, with an international reach through their UK manufacturing facility, Optima continues to innovate and drive the market, setting the standard that others aspire to.